everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a haul from the range. I actually went to the range because I was watching the Miss Stationery Stuff YouTube, and she'd been to her range close to her and got some really good bargains. Unfortunately, I don't feel like my bargains are as good as her bargains, so if you want to watch her haul video, I shall link it down below. But on with it, I shall show you what I got from my range. So the first thing I got was this Wow die, and this was 30p, and it's an X-cut one. Then I got these On Safari stamps, and these are like of a whale and some love and some fishes and stuff, and they was 53p. Then we got some of these Paper Mania numbers. I could only get 3 numbers, unfortunately, because that's all they had, and I got a number 3, a number 9, and a number 7. 7p, couldn't leave them. And then I got these clear stamps with a cutting die plate, and these was 90p each, and you just got some sentiments, some hollies, some presents and stuff. And I got another version of these, again with a snowman. We've got the reef die and the bow die there. Then I got these stamps. These actually wasn't in the sale. These was only £1 as well, so absolute bargain. And I got these Hunky Dory stamps. Now these was only actually £1.50, so I was made up with those. We've got a poinsettia, and we got some embellishment stamps, and we got some frames. Then I got this huge stamp set, and these was £1.79, and I thought that was an absolute bargain. I didn't actually know how much these were till I went until I asked, but you can see I've got a big snowman, a deer, some trees, a hedgehog, a robin, and then some sentiments. These also wasn't in the sale. I thought there was £2.99, but once I paid and checked my receipt, it was actually £4.99. Don't know if I'd have paid that, because wedding cards are not something I do a lot of, but I've got them now, so at least I've got something if a wedding does come up. Then I got this huge unicorn die. It was £2.10 in the sale, and you can see it's a fairly big die. And then we got some of these flowers, and these were 70p each, and I got some in pink, some in yellow, and some in is it teal? I don't know if it's teal, but it's a bluey colour anyway. I got these wooden embellishments of the tropicals, and these was 99p. And I got these bauble decorations, and these was I think 59p. And I also got some ones it's in the gin, and these was 59p also. And then I also got some of these little gingerbread men buttons, and these was £1. I don't know if that was a sale price or not, but I thought they was cute. And I only picked up one of these because I didn't know how much there was. There was a huge basket of these toppers, and there was actually only, I think it was 9 or 10p each. So I wish I'd have actually got a few more of these. They're not something I'd use a lot of, but they're good for like quick and easy Christmas cards, or even using on a tag. And then I don't know what happened with these, but these wasn't on the receipt, so I don't know if the girl hadn't scanned them or not, so I don't quite know how much these were. And then I got some snowflake stickers, and these was 50p. And the last 2 things I got was just 2 of these 12x12 containers for put my papers in, and they was £4.99, again not in the sale. So this little lot come to £33. So that was my haul from the range. Like I say, not as good as the Miss Stationery and Stuff's haul, but I just thought I'd still share anyway. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, and subscribing if you have, and commenting. I've been really pleased about the interaction everyone's been giving me on my channel. So thank you everybody again, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.